We are teachers!
HWPL Peace Education celebration of World Teachers Day with the theme
Peace Educators for
a
Peace.
Peaceful Future. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together as we welcome and acknowledge the Voice of Peace Philippines Administration and the volunteer peace educators.
Who wants to be a millionaire?
We will win only if we will work.
I believe that education change one child, one person, and one family. They can change the country and the world together. Education is a very powerful tool for changing one person's thought and life, and even changing the world. The children who are our future will grow as a peace messenger for the Philippines and the whole world.
Ang araw ng pagbati namin sa inyo. Pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga ginawa ninyo o aming mga guro.
Kasalukuyan tayong binabalot ng masasalimuot na pangyayari na tila ba pagulo ng pagulo.
Ngunit di namin makakalimutan na nandyan kayo. Kayo na ang hangad ay magbigay ng kaalaman at karunungan para sa kapayapaan. Kami sumasaludo sa inyo.
Lahat ng ito'y tanda na pagmamahal mo sa amin. Taos puso kami nagbibigay pugay sa inyong dedikasyon at pagmamalasakit. Mabuhay kayo o aming mga guro.
This is the rhythm of the night, oh yeah, the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of the night, oh yeah, the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of the night, oh yeah, the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life, my life. Oh yeah, the rhythm of my life. This is the rhythm of the night.
Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night wind.
Peace. What a part of peace, my friend. What?
To our dear peace educators, we will always admire how you are as a teacher, second parent, friend, coach, brother and sister, rolled into one. We will continue to spread our wings as we are now messengers of peace.
And may just be a kid, but we can also make a difference in someone else's lives. And that is because of you.
Happy Teacher's Day!